Okay, so Renee's putting away the goats, and she's going to come and do the box with us. But while she is finishing that up, I thought I would just let you know, Keto Chow is a nutritionally complete meal shake, a keto-friendly meal shake. We love Keto Chow in this house. Lots of us drink it. A couple don't like it, but you know, not everyone likes everything. But we love making recipes with it. The kids and I get to have fun playing with some different recipes, which we love. We love all the flavors. Oh, and I did want to mention, if you have not seen yet, the vanilla cream flavor and the strawberry cream flavor are back. I don't know if they're in this box or not. They could be, but we have not opened it yet. It's a surprise. Lots of people loved the strawberry cream and the vanilla cream, and they sold out very quickly, and they sold well enough that Keto Chow has brought them back, and they are replacing the old vanilla and strawberry. So if you really love the old vanilla and strawberry, you might want to like stock up before those are gone forever. I think the vanilla cream and the strawberry cream are better, so I'm excited about that switch. Okay. Anything else we need to tell them about Keto Chow before Renee gets here?
No.
So your face is completely filthy. What have you been doing all day?
Working.
Working? What were you working on?
The greenhouse.
The greenhouse with Dad, and so you are a complete disaster. But we call that immune building in this house. Got dirt under the fingernails, dirt everywhere. Are you excited to see what's in the Keto Chow box?
Yay!
What flavor do you think it might be?
I don't know.
Maybe, well, okay, so March has St. Patrick's Day in it, and St. Patrick's Day has green stuff. So do you know what flavors are green?
No.
Well, there's pistachio.
Yeah.
That one's green.
I forgot about that one.
Yeah, that one's green, so maybe there's a pistachio in here. There's also chocolate mint, which is green. You'd think it'd be brown because it's chocolate, but no, it's green. There's also key lime, but that one has been discontinued and they're not bringing it back, sadly. It's green, so I don't imagine that's in here. Are you ready, Renee? Okay. All right, are the goats all put away?
Yeah.
Yeah? Have you been working all day with Dad too?
Yeah.
Levi, come sit down. So we were talking about St. Patrick's Day and green, and maybe there's some green flavors in here.
Like pistachio and chocolate mint.
You got it. I said key lime too, but that one got discontinued, so it's probably not in here. Okay, should we go one by one?
Yeah.
Yay! Don't look.
Okay.
Oh, we called it. Show it to the camera.
What is it?
Pistachio, and it's in the new packaging. I love that.
That looks so good.
I love it.
I don't
okay,
want
Levi, you ready?
Yeah.
Don't look. Oh, you got two, and they're the same thing, so it works out. Pina colada. Party in a box. Do you like
party in a box?
Yeah, pina coladas are like party drinks.
I like them.
Yeah. Okay, so should I pick, or should I just do the big one?
You can pick.
Okay.
And then whoever lands on the big one can do it.
Chocolate peanut butter. Can't go wrong with that one. All right.
Any season
Renee?
is right for chocolate peanut butter.
Exactly. That's not a seasonal flavor at all. That's an all the time.
Strawberry.
It is in here. I just was talking about strawberry cream and vanilla cream are back in stock.
It's in
and I said, I don't know if there's one in here, but there was.
It's a new packaging.
It's the new package, strawberry cream. And so they do have the strawberry cream core and the vanilla cream core, but those are different. This one is the milk protein line that is back. Okay, is it my turn?
Or, no.
No, whose turn is it?
I just picked one, so
Oh, so it's
Levi's.
Levi's. Sorry. I get so confused. Are you looking?
No.
Don't look. Oh, another new package. I'm loving all these
That
new
looks
packages.
so good. All the new
You have to show it.
All the new
Cookies and cream. Look at that packaging. I love it.
All the
I
new...
like all the different colors. One day when we have all of the new packaging, we'll be able to do like a rainbow for all the different flavors when we sort them in our pantry.
Yeah, and
Okay.
I love the new packaging. They look so delicious. It's a new
Blueberry
packaging.
pie.
Yeah, the pic.
Yeah, I love those. Okay.
The pictures on the
I keep looking in the box by
packaging.
accident.
Yeah. Oh, I got
Why is there still a
strawberry
goat
cream.
out? Oh, they're all out. You must have left one of the doors open.
What
All right.
door?
Wait. Just let's finish this and then you can put them away. Okay. Show that one.
Strawberry cream.
Another
again.
strawberry cream. That's awesome. Two.
Now it's
Okay.
my
Oh,
turn.
it's your turn. I keep You're messing up.
The big. It's,
Okay.
ah!
Chocolate. Of course, you can't go wrong with chocolate. All right, I think the big one is the only one left. And I'll go ahead and do that. Or because it was my turn, right?
Yeah, I think so.
All right. This is not for you guys. This is for me. Caramel macchiato. It has coffee flavor in it.
Ugh.
But I like it. It's delicious. It's so caramely.
I don't like coffee.
I love that one.
Can I do this?
Okay, you ready for the recipe cards? The other great thing about the My Chow surprise box is that they give you recipe cards that go along with some of the flavors in the box. All right, Renee, you want to pick the first one off the top?
Okay.
There you go. What is it?
It is caramel macchiato coffee mousse.
Caramel macchiato coffee mousse. Can you show it?
A lot of M's and C's.
All right, you want to do one?
Yeah.
All right, what is it? Cheesecake strawberry bites.
We need to make
That
that.
looks really good.
We need to
and
make
that
that.
one has what
Eggs.
flavor? Oh, pina colada. Oh, that's cool. Pina colada in there with the strawberries.
Mom,
Let's see.
does
you want me
it
to hold
does it
that
have eggs?
one? No, I don't think so.
If
No eggs.
you can we make it?
We should.
Can I take the lucky
wait.
bottom one? It's your turn.
Okay, go ahead.
It's your turn. Oh. Protein rice, no bake cake pops.
Protein rich.
Oh, protein rich.
Protein rice would be
that
pretty great though.
sounds really good.
All right, you got to show it. Protein rich, no bake cake pops. That is yummy looking.
We
Let's
need
see.
to make
It's
that.
strawberry keto chow or flavor of your choice. You could probably do it with a birthday cake.
Or
flavor.
lemon.
Yeah. Ooh, that would be good. All right, should I do one or do you want to do the last two?
I'll do,
You do one.
and then you can do one.
Okay, I'll do the last one. Chocolate peanut butter bars. All right, here come the goats. Those look good. Of course, they're going to use the chocolate peanut butter keto chow. Oh, they're going to come and try to eat our keto chow. All right, last one. We got to go fast. Pistachio Easter nest desserts. Uh-oh.
The goats.
Stay away from our keto chow. Keto chow is not for goats. Keto chow is not for goats. No. They're going to want to eat the confetti.
Oh no.
I decided I'm going to go ahead and prep some keto chow desserts. There are some really great ones. Actually, one of these I haven't tried yet, but it's been on my list for a while. I went back, it's one of Lindsay Murphy's recipes that she did. I went back and looked at the video and it was from 11 months ago, almost a year ago. I've had this on my list to make and I'm finally doing it. It's a, well, she did it with the raspberry cheesecake keto chow, and it's like a parfait. She used some of the perfect keto cereal on the bottom to give like a crunch, and then it's with gelatin and some heavy whipping cream. She used the raspberry cheesecake, but I decided I'm going to use the strawberry cream. I thought that would be delicious. Strawberry cream parfaits. And then the other dessert I want to do is one that I've done before. It's the no-bake blueberry pie cheesecake, but I like to make this in a cup. I don't do any kind of crust or anything. I just put it in the cups and it's just like a cheesecake, no-bake cheesecake in a cup. But instead of doing the blueberry pie keto chow, I am going to do the vanilla cream, and that's going to make a vanilla cream cheesecake cup. I thought that would be really good. It'd be really nice to add anything to. You could add some chocolate to it. You could add some berries to it. It's just a basic cheesecake that you can kind of do anything with. So I'm going to go ahead and do the parfaits first. And I do have a video where I made the cheesecake cups, and then Lindsay has the video where she made her parfaits. So I will link those both in the cards and in the description so you can get the full recipes there. And of course, I will link the keto chow recipe on their site so you can find all that down in the description. So here's the strawberry parfait, and I have already tasted these and they're both fantastic. I really do like the pudding. So with the cereal in there, of course it doesn't stay crunchy, but it kind of reminded me of like what ladyfingers do in tiramisu. I really liked it. It's kind of cakey almost. And then the pudding is really good. The pudding, you know, is a little bit light and just creamy. It's absolutely delicious. This one is definitely a winner. I will do this again for sure. Then the cheesecake cups are decadent, like super rich, super decadent. I just topped with a little whipped cream and some Good Sam mini chocolate chips. I love those for topping on things because they're so cute and tiny. So these are two winners of a recipe that could be done in all kinds of different flavors. I mean, the possibilities are seriously endless with all the flavors of Keto Chow. So I highly recommend both of them. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you again in the next one.